All right, this just showed up today. Pretty excited. It's a very cool looking mirror. But with everything you get like this online, gotta check it. Gotta check it. I don't care what shipping service you use these days. It seems like they hire angry people that just want to break your stuff. All right. So I'm just gonna open it up. Oh, nice! Look, it has a wood frame. That's nice. And come on, baby. Oh, this will be easier if I do it like this, huh? There we go. And I gotta say that wood frame is a nice touch. You got some mounting screws here as well. I think if this fits, I'm gonna put it in my bathroom downstairs. Ah, they really taped it on here. And this is the old styrofoam. So keep your vacuum handy because you're gonna make a daggone mess. But that's okay. That's what vacuum cleaners are for, right? I'll open this like a, nope. Very lightweight, which I don't care. I don't care if it's fancy, expensive glass, because that stuff always gets broken somehow. All right, so here you go. Nice shipping. They taped it to the plastic. That's cool. This will make it easier to pull out. Has a normal plug, which I'm sure you can cut, splice, and hardwire. And let's just check out. The LED lighting is on there really good. And it conforms to this, and this is foam too. This is very nice. And it's a cool shape too. Check that out. Very cool. Let's check the plug. Make sure this guy works. Oh, you can hang it. Check it out. You can hang it horizontally or vertically, which I think most people just do vertically. But I guess it just matters on your space, where you want to put it. Now let's plug this thing in. So you got your two options. You got your, you'll need to wipe it down. This one has a scratch in it. We're gonna try to see if we can wipe that out. But 1, 2, 3. Let's see if you can hold it and adjust the brightness. You can. And that appears to be as bright as it gets, which is not super bright. Let's turn this light out and see how it looks. I would say it's more of a night light, but still very cool feature, very cool looking. You can see the pad on the back to defog it, which is nice. And there it's on. I'm sure it'll heat up. I'm gonna try to wipe. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little nick right here, but we'll probably be able to buff that out or wipe it out. But all in all, for what it is, I mean, you can adjust the color temperature, turn that off. But I wouldn't use this as a vanity because it's not super bright, but it does look cool. It has a nice gold or brass looking surround here, so very cool all in all.